so I want to introduce you to my own candy machine, vending machine. Okay. I'm just wait. I'm gonna take out the money. First, I'm gonna show you what it's like if you're just a random person and you just found it and decide to eat something you want to snack. So, wait. Man, that dripped. Okay, so you push it in. You have to push that in. And then you pull it this way. Wait. You pull it. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, there. You pull it that way. It comes out. Lift it up, and it comes out. So, I'm going to show you the mechanism now. That's it. Okay, so the candy is right through here, like right in. Okay, first, let me take out the money. I'm going to show you from the start. Okay, so when you push it in, you can, when you push it in, oops, did it too hard. Wait, oh man, too hard. Okay. See this? It goes into a little cup right down there. And then the candy is like right here through this line, this piece. See this? Okay, see that? Now, see, okay. Oops, wrong one. Right. It's right there. See that money? The cup's right there. Now when you pull this piece, it drops through. When you pick it up, it's out. So that's it. That is my candy machine. Dum dum. It's called Frosted Flakes Munchkin. I don't know what to call it. Bye.